Welcome back to the Pre-Diabetes Wellness Podcast. I am so excited because today we're kicking off something brand new, a 10-part plant-based eating series. Over the next 10 episodes, we're going to unpack why adding more plants is the missing piece when it comes to lowering blood sugar, boosting energy, and feeling better in your everyday life. And you know me, I keep things short, clear, and to the point. So today I want to share the simple reason why I believe plant-based eating is the key so many people overlook. For me, it wasn't one dramatic wake-up call. It was a slow realization. The more plants I added into my meals, the better I felt. I didn't need that afternoon nap. I didn't feel heavy or sluggish. My gut felt lighter, like my body wasn't working overtime just to digest. And that energy, that changes everything. Because when you have energy, you get to actually live. You can say yes to playing with your kids. You can say yes to a walk after dinner, yes to going on a date night, and you know what? Yes to simply showing up for your life. That was my shift. Realizing food isn't just about blood sugar numbers on a chart. Hmm. It's about energy and clarity so you can fully show up. And plants gave that to me. Plant-based eating isn't about perfection. It's not about giving up everything you enjoy. It's about crowding in more of the foods that fuels you, more fiber-rich, nutrients-dense, blood sugar-friendly foods that help your body run so much better. Now, this is the foundation. You will get more energy, you would have better digestion, and you would live so much lighter. Once you experience that, you'll see why plant-based eating actually is the missing piece. So here's what's next in episode 52. We'll tackle the myths that hold us back. The myths about protein, how much it actually costs, and whether your family will actually eat this way. Because I promise, this can be simple and sustainable. And if you want a head start right now, grab my free plant-based grocery kit. It's a grocery kit for blood sugar balance. It comes with a grocery list, and I did a short audio walkthrough so you'll know exactly how to use it without feeling overwhelmed. The link will be in the show notes, but for now, it is at www.ericanatashavellness.com/grocery. It takes all of the guesswork out of what to buy and what makes trying this approach so much easier. So until next time, remember something. Small changes add up, and your energy is worth it. Be well.